Hi everybody, Ryan Orrell with Webmonster.com. The purpose of this video is an introduction to our content management system, and I'm going to show you how to edit content. This is not the first page that you're going to see. When you go to your login screen, enter your username and password, you'll be at a general screen where you can select your website. All right. After you click on that, this is the page that you're going to see right here. Now you can see all of the pages that are currently editable for your website right here, and you can click one, two or three to go to the different pages. The pages are arranged alphabetically. You can use the search box, which is right here. You can use that box to easily find the page that you're looking for. Now please note that these are just labels that are only referenced inside the CMS, and it is not on the live website, meaning that's not how the pages are necessarily listed, and they can be changed to whatever you want. Now we've added a 0 to the home page, as you can see. Now the reason that we've added that is to make it appear at the top of this list. And also please note that there are no content regions to edit on the home page itself. The only thing to edit in there are slider images, which will require editing codes, and we're going to explain that a little bit later on. But if you follow the instructions to the T, you should not have any problems whatsoever. Now, if you would like to relabel any page, you can do that. Simply go over here and click this little gear button, and that's going to bring up, you can see relabel. Again, you might not see all of these. I'm inside my master account. But if you want to relabel, all you have to do is click that. It's going to bring up this screen here, and you can label it whatever you would like to do, depending on whatever the page is about. For easier reference, we always would recommend something that's easier, easy for you to remember, and always what that page is about. I'm going to click cancel here. Now we're going to move on if you actually want to edit the page. Now, in your manual, we use the birthdays page from Waterworld, so we're going to click that. If you want to edit a page, simply click that, all right? And it's going to bring up this page right here. Here you can see the page obviously has the live editor on it. You can see up here, you can just hover over various things. This is a site, where we can use the tools up here where we can use for editing the site. And you can also hover over any editable region, and you're going to see the little lines pop up around that. And it's very easy to do. You just simply click inside that, all right? And you can literally move around here. You can edit anything that you want to, all right? I'm just playing around here with it, but you literally can just move. I know a lot of you know how to do this already, but we're just simply getting in here, and showing you the different things that you can edit. So again, you can even edit this little header area here. All you have to do is simply click inside it, and you're there. Now, once you're inside the CMS, another way to navigate to each page is right here on this little site tab. All you have to do is click this down arrow, and you can see the different pages on the site. All right. Now let's say you wanted to go to corporate tickets. All you do is click that, and it's going to take you directly to that particular page. Now, for what our purposes of what we're doing here, I'm going to go back to the birthdays page. But once again, you can just scroll down, and you're going to see every single page there on your website. All right. All right, now let's try editing the content area. Now you can edit the content using the toolbar. It's just like Microsoft Word pretty much up here, okay? Now all you have to do first is click the content area down here in which you want to edit, all right? Now what you want to do is you want to highlight this area. Let's say we're going to make a change to this header right here, all right? Now all you have to do is with headers is go right up here and click your down arrow. Now we've made it pretty convenient for you because we've done, make sure you only use headers 2 through 6. Now watch how this changes here. You see we have heading 2 already selected. If you select heading 3, it makes it orange and kind of cool right there. If you select heading 4, it's going to make it a little bit smaller, but still you're going to have the same color. all right? If you go to heading 5, it's going to change to red. And if you go to heading 6, it's basically just going to obviously make it in black and bold right there. So we're going to go back up here and change it back to heading 2. Now it's always very important, if you ever make changes to your site, you always want to go over here, click the down arrow on save, and you want to always click publish. All right? Then you're done editing to save any changes that you've made right there. All you have to do is click the publish button and you're good to go. Now the best way to create and add content using the CMS is to basically copy content from somewhere else and just paste it. Now let's say you want to list on something, okay? All you have to do is go in and click where you'd want to, and all you have to do is just drag your mouse, right click, and copy. Then you can go down to, let's say we want to just add some content at the bottom of the page, and we wanted some of those check boxes. That's what I'm going for here, all right? Now, if you just wanted some bullet points, you would just copy this area here. And what you do is you want to go to the area where you want to paste it, click there, you should see your little cursor, right click, and paste. Now what that's going to do is exactly what you wanted it to do. It's going to copy, with some check marks. And all you would do is just go in and edit whatever you wanted to there. All right. You could go in and say, I'm changing this content. And there you're good to go. You can customize that however you want to. It's just the simplest way. Now let's say you made a mistake, you don't want it there. All you got to do is just highlight it again, hit your delete button, and you're good to go as far as that goes. You can also edit your copy and paste your buttons. All right. Let's say we want to copy the button right here. All we would have to do is just highlight that, right click, click copy, and we could go down here again, put your cursor where you want it to. All you have to do is hit paste, and it's going to hit that right there for you. Now let's say you want to take this button and we don't like where it's at right there. All right, let's say you want to center it in your page. All you have to do is click that, and you should see these little boxes surrounding it. All you have to do is go up here, click the down arrow, and you can hit align center, and it's going to take care of that for you. If you wanted to align it to the right, you align it to the right. It's as simple as that. Now it's important to note on some of these buttons, like the reserve now, some of these we have created custom for you. All right. Now in many of them you can edit, but in this particular one it looks really cool there with the special font, and we have you can't really edit that unless you do that inside Photoshop, but a lot of them you can. In which case all you would do is click on that, and you would be able to edit that. Again, we can't necessarily with this image because it was created in Photoshop, but a lot of them are, and you just click in there. That concludes on how you can add and edit content. But again, guys, this up here is very self-explanatory. I mean, if you wanted to highlight something, you just double click on it, go up here, hit bold, and it's going to do it. It's really convenient and just like Microsoft Word in that regard. Next, we're going to talk about editing links. Stand by. Go to the next video.